Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 8th of May, Thursday, and today was another interesting day in the markets. It's been a difficult past couple days, but today we made 3 trades. We were 2 for 1 and ended up pulling 3/4 of a point out of the market. So nothing mind-blowing, but it's better than being down a few points. Our first trade was a stop out. We pretty much got short up here, and then the market just took us out, and it is what it is. So we kind of watched things a little bit as the market did move. We got short down here, and we were able to take profit on the downside. Then we watched the markets move higher, and then they just moved higher and higher. We took a short over here, up here, and we were able to, over here actually, we got short over here. We were able to take profit on the way down. Then the market did pop back up, and we ended up closing the room on that. So 0.75 points, not the worst day in the world. And being able to maintain that, when we do have unsuccessful trades, keeping it small mentality, that's how the profit is how it is whenever you go over the performance, because we are able to maintain our, risk profile. We're able to keep it small, and when we do have really good days, we're able to maximize that. Of course, we look at today and, you're like, oh, look at this move. We were definitely not a part of it, and we actually took our first or our only unsuccessful trade right here at the beginning of this move. And then this move we weren't a part of. And some traders will look at that as, well, I suck. I did something really bad. I was not a part of that move. And they look at it essentially as they lost that money. Whereas in reality, we never had that money anyway. And not taking an even bigger loss. Like, let's say, for example, if we did not have a stop on here at all, the market would have come up, and eventually you're going to have to take that loss. I don't know many people who are going to set through a loss that big. You're talking about a 10 point move against you there, and depending on how many contracts you have in there, it could be quite substantial. I don't know many traders who are actually going to do that, and with real money, I don't know any traders who would take a stop that big, unless they're just looking for a multi-day swing. Maybe they take a stop that big, but I guess it is what it is. As far as day trading, I don't know anybody who would take a stop that big. But anyway, like I said, there's 2 perspectives you could look at. There's probably a third one. There's always different ways to view the market, to view your trading, and to be able to look at it in less of a negative light. And I guess that's what I'm trying to say, is you want to look at it as, well, we made 3/4 of a point. It's not great, but it's definitely, we could have done much, much worse. And that's the way I try to look at my trading. Because if I make 20 points, if I make 1 point, if I lose 2 points, it's all relative. And tomorrow, it's not going to matter, because tomorrow's going to be a new day of trading. Rather than looking at, well, I want to add to my current total of this month. That's the wrong mentality. But anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about today. I know I jumped around a little bit, but that's how I like to record these videos. I think they're better not having a script, me just talking about a specific topic, and I learn a little bit from it too. So anyway, you can always leave questions, comments, feedback below the video. You can also email me directly, support@businesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.